In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sponsored ads on Facebook easily in just 5 minutes. Let's face it, sponsored ads can be quite intrusive, appearing in your newsfeed when you're just trying to stay connected with friends and family. But don't worry, because today I'm going to walk you through the process of managing and minimizing those ads step by step. First, we need to start by going to your Facebook account. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and logging into Facebook with your credentials. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, the next thing we'll do is navigate to your profile's account icon. You'll find this icon typically located in the top right corner of your Facebook screen. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your account icon, you will see a drop-down menu. From here, find the option that says Settings and Privacy. This is your gateway to fine-tuning how you interact with Facebook and its features, so go ahead and click on it. Once the Settings and Privacy menu expands, look for the Setting option. This is where you'll find all sorts of customization tools for your Facebook experience. Click on Settings to move forward. Next, under the Account Center section in your settings, we're going to dive into Ad Preferences. Now, why is this important? Well, this is the section where Facebook allows users to have a say over the types of ads they encounter, making your ad experience on Facebook as personal and minimal as possible. So go ahead and click on Ad Preferences to continue. Once in Ad Preferences, direct your attention to the account settings where you'll find yet another option for ad preferences. This might seem repetitive, but it's just Facebook's way of organizing its settings to ensure you have full control over how ads interact with your browsing experience. Now, it's time to get more specific. Within ad preferences, you will be able to see different advertisers who have either shown adverts to you or whom you've interacted with in some way. Select an advertiser from the list by clicking on it. The final step is straightforward. After selecting an advertiser, you'll see an option to hide ads from them. By clicking on Hide Ads, you essentially tell Facebook that you no longer want to see sponsored content from that particular advertiser. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you're on your way to creating a more streamlined, ad-free browsing experience on Facebook. Remember, these changes might not eliminate ads altogether, but will certainly give you more control over the type of sponsored content you see. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guidance.